Guys, I must be in the right place at the right time this year. Went to Lidl, right? 20 pence for seeds. Any seed packet, and 2024, some of them, but some are 2025, so I've got radish. But the best thing about it is, these are seed tape, some of these. Carrots, seed tape, 20 pence. 20 pence. And I've got 3 of those, 4 of those. Got these as well, different ones, seed tape. So they're like all carrots. I've got beetroot, beans, garden peas, broccoli, and courgettes. So in there, I think, how many packets have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I don't know. I think that'll cost me £3.40, all those. But it wasn't those that initially picked up, because it was these. As in a different Lidl. And when I drove away, I thought, you know what? 20 pence, I should have got some more seed tapes, i.e. these. But in this one, I've got pumpkins that you can carve, more carrots, seed tapes. I've got lettuce, seed tapes, onions, the screw gart, cauliflower snowball, courgette black beauty, cucumbers, a different type of carrot, lettuce, seed tape, radish, round ball courgette, and leeks. So all in all these seeds, all them, cost me roughly £5. Absolute bargain. And there's loads. It'd be worthwhile nipping to your local Lidl, see if they're going to. 2 of our Lidls had them. I didn't go to our third one. But guys, get down there and have a look.